Luxury looks for less DIY design ideas. Transform your space on a tight budget. With just $100 you can create stunning DIY designs. High-end styles like farmhouse and bohemian can be achieved with thrift store finds. Add personalized details like homemade artworks or upcycled decor, making your room unique. Follow these tips, and you'll impress friends without breaking the bank. Okay y'all, let's talk about thrift stores. These places are like hidden treasure chests, brimming with potential and just waiting for someone with a keen eye and a bit of creativity to unlock their secrets. They're like hidden treasure chests full of potential just waiting to be unlocked. Imagine walking into a store and finding a piece that speaks to you, something that has a story and a history. You can find amazing furniture pieces, vintage decor, and unique accessories, all for a fraction of the cost of new items. It's like stepping into a time capsule where every item has a past and a future waiting to be reimagined. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and dig a little. The best finds are often hidden behind other items or tucked away in corners. You never know what gems you might uncover. It could be a rare book, a vintage lamp, or even a designer piece that someone else overlooked. Remember that old saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure? It's so true. With a little bit of effort, you can transform something old and worn into something new and beautiful. When you're thrifting, keep an open mind and let your creativity flow. Think about how you can repurpose or upcycle items to fit your style and needs. A little imagination goes a long way. That old chair could become a statement piece with some new fabric and a bit of paint. That chipped teapot, it could be a charming planter, or maybe a unique centerpiece for your dining table. That scratched up coffee table, a little sanding and a fresh coat of paint can work wonders. You can turn it into a focal point for your living room. So, next time you're looking to add some personality to your space without spending a fortune, hit up your local thrift store. You'll be amazed at what you can find and create with just a bit of imagination and effort. Let's talk about the magic of paint, folks. It's truly one of the most transformative tools you can have in your DIY arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice, paint can work wonders. It's seriously the easiest and most affordable way to completely transform a piece of furniture or decor. You don't need to spend a fortune to make a big impact. Just a few dollars on paint can breathe new life into old, tired pieces. A fresh coat of paint can take something from drab to fab in just a few hours. Imagine turning that old, worn-out dresser into a stunning statement piece. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and finishes. The beauty of paint is that it's so versatile. You can go bold with vibrant hues or keep it classic with neutral tones. A bold pop of color can add personality and energy to a room, while a more neutral tone can create a calming and sophisticated vibe. It's all about what you want to achieve with your space. Before you start painting, make sure you prep your surface properly. This step is crucial for a smooth and long-lasting finish. Clean it thoroughly, sand away any rough spots, and use a primer if necessary. Proper preparation ensures that your paint adheres well and looks great for years to come. And here's a little tip. Don't be afraid to mix and match different paint colors and techniques. You can create unique effects and textures that make your pieces truly one of a kind. So grab a brush, unleash your inner artist, and give that old dresser or side table a much-needed makeover. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can turn any piece into a work of art. You don't need to be a professional artist to create beautiful and unique artwork for your home. Think about what inspires you and what kind of mood you want to create in your space. Do you love nature? Try creating a botanical print using pressed flowers or leaves. Are you drawn to abstract art? Experiment with different paint pouring techniques or create a textured canvas using fabric scraps. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's all part of the creative process. So, gather up some art supplies, put on some music, and let your inner artist run wild. From trash to treasure, upcycle decor with flair. Before you toss something out, take a second look. Could it be repurposed into something amazing? Upcycling is all about giving new life to old items. Those old mason jars, they make perfect vases, candle holders, or storage containers. That vintage ladder, it could be a unique bookshelf or a charming display for blankets. Upcycling is not only good for your wallet, but it's also good for the environment. By giving new life to old items, you're helping to reduce waste and keep things out of landfills. So, next time you're about to throw something away, ask yourself, could this be upcycled? Let there be light, affordable fixtures that shine. Lighting can make or break a room, and it doesn't have to break the bank. The right lighting can elevate your space, making it feel cozy, inviting, and stylish. Whether you're looking to brighten up your living room or add a touch of elegance to your bedroom, there are plenty of affordable options out there. Look for unique and stylish fixtures at thrift stores, flea markets, or online retailers. These places often have hidden gems that can add a unique flair to your home without costing a fortune. Plus, shopping secondhand is a great way to find pieces that are not only budget-friendly, but also environmentally friendly. You can often find amazing deals on vintage or gently used pieces that add instant character and charm. Imagine a vintage chandelier casting a warm glow in your dining room, or a retro floor lamp adding a touch of nostalgia to your living space. A vintage pendant light over the dining table can create a focal point that draws the eye and enhances the overall aesthetic of the room. Or a statement chandelier in the entryway can completely transform the look and feel of a room, making it feel more welcoming and luxurious. And don't forget about the power of dimmer switches. These handy devices allow you to adjust the brightness of your lights to suit any occasion, whether it's a romantic dinner or a lively gathering with friends. They allow you to control the mood and ambiance of a room, giving you the flexibility to create the perfect atmosphere for any moment. So, play around with different types of fixtures and bulbs to find the perfect combination for your style and budget. Experimenting with various lighting options can lead to surprising and delightful results, making your home truly shine. Farmhouse charm on a dime, rustic elegance, budget-friendly style. Creating a cozy and inviting farmhouse look doesn't have to cost a fortune. Start with a neutral color palette of whites, creams, and grays. Then add pops of warmth and texture with natural wood elements, like reclaimed wood shelves or a vintage farmhouse table. Look for cozy textiles like linen, burlap, and cotton in soft, muted tones. And don't forget about vintage finds. Old signs, enamelware, and mason jars add instant farmhouse charm. Remember, the key to farmhouse style is to keep things simple, functional, and full of heart. So, embrace imperfection, celebrate the beauty of natural materials, and create a space that feels warm, inviting, and uniquely yours. Bohemian Rhapsody eclectic style on a shoestring budget. Embrace the free-spirited and eclectic world of bohemian style without emptying your wallet. Start with a neutral base for your walls and furniture. Then layer in colorful textiles like tapestries, rugs, and throw pillows. Look for vintage or globally inspired patterns and textures to add that eclectic boho vibe. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns and colors. Remember, bohemian style is all about expressing your individuality and creating a space that feels personal and inviting. So, embrace your inner free spirit, get creative, and let your personality shine through. What truly elevates a space from basic to beautiful? It's the personal touches, those little details that tell your story and make your home uniquely yours. Display your favorite travel souvenirs, family photos, or vintage finds. Create a gallery wall with a mix of framed artwork, prints, and personal mementos. Incorporate natural elements like plants, flowers, or branches. And don't forget about the power of scent. Candles, diffusers, or fresh flowers can instantly create a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. Remember, it's the little things that make a big difference. So, take the time to add those personal touches that make your home feel like a true reflection of you. Textiles play a huge role in setting the mood and style of a room. They add warmth, texture, and personality, and they can instantly elevate your space from basic to luxurious. Look for sales and clearance items at your favorite home decor stores. You can often find amazing deals on curtains, rugs, and throw pillows that look and feel high-end without the hefty price tag. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures and patterns. A chunky knit throw blanket paired with a smooth velvet pillow creates a cozy and inviting vibe. So get creative, have fun, and experiment with different textures, patterns, and colors to create a space that feels uniquely yours. You don't need a complete overhaul to make a big impact on the look and feel of your home. Sometimes it's the small changes that make the biggest difference. Swap out outdated hardware like cabinet knobs, drawer pulls, and door handles. Add a fresh coat of paint to your walls or furniture. Incorporate a statement piece like a large piece of artwork, a unique mirror, or a bold rug. Rearrange your furniture to create a fresh new look. Remember, even the smallest changes can have a big impact on the overall look and feel of your home. So, don't be afraid to experiment, get creative, and make your space a reflection of your unique style. Remember, creating a beautiful and stylish home doesn't have to break the bank. With a little creativity, some elbow grease, and these budget-friendly tips, you can transform your space into a luxurious retreat you'll love coming home to. Whether you're thrifting for treasures, upcycling old pieces, or adding personal touches, remember that the most important thing is to create a space that feels like you. So go ahead, unleash your inner designer, and create a home that reflects your unique personality and style, all while staying within budget.